What's up guys, I'm Sheldon Creed. Today I'm going to cook a tomahawk steak with Boss Griddles. Let's get after it. Alright, we're going to start with some avocado oil. Get this on there, rub it in. Make sure to get both sides here. Alright, now we're going to hit this with some Boss Cowboy Butter Rub. Get this spread out on there, then we'll rub it all in. Alright, this thing's ready to go on the grill at 445. Alright, we got our steak on here. We're going to go ahead and open up our flame broiler and get some color going on both sides. Alright, it's been about 60 seconds. We're going to open our grill up here and give it a flip. Alright, we're going to turn our grill down to about 200 degrees. Let that internal temp get down to about 110. Alright, our tomahawk's ready to come off the grill. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. It's a piece of steak right there. Normally we'd let it settle for a few minutes, but we're gonna get a little cut and see what it tastes like. And that's where it's at. Alright, I'm gonna finish cutting this guy up and we'll be right back to show you guys the end product. Alright, we got our steak all cut up here, and for our final touch we're gonna hit it with some smoked sea salt. Alright, tomahawk steak cooked on the Pit Boss with our Cowboy Butter Rub. Let's go in for that bite. It's so good. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you want to check out the recipe for this tomahawk steak on the Boss Griddles, check out the link in the description below. We'll see you next time.